Good day, everybody. I'm happy to see you in my channel. Let's continue to learn and research our Stata program. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to import your data from other folders and how to create folders for your Stata files and other things. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So let's begin. First of all, we have to open and we have to choose the appropriate the file of Stata. This time I'm going to choose this one, which is called example, and I got this from my professor and my university, and there is some information in it. So let's click open it. As you can see, the file has been opened. As you can see, the variables window, there are some names of variables, and also here you can see the data itself in data editor. So in order to change one of the numbers, you can double click on it and you can change it without any effort. Click enter and it has been changed. So in order to save it, you just click the save button and it has been saved. Here you should be very careful, because when you are saving, you are just saving the data itself but not commands. Here you can write commands. While you are working, you have to write hundreds of commands, and if you want to save it, you can just save it. If you save it, just data itself will be saved, not all of your commands. And if you just click save, and if you quit from your Stata program, all your work will be gone to the trash. That's why in this time we have to save commands. To do this, just click file, find, log, and click begin. If you click it, your commands will be saved as well. The another way to log begin is to write the command. So first we have to show the way where we are going to save. The Stata itself cannot create a folder for you. That's why you have to create it yourself. So we write cd, which is abbreviation of change directory, and I have to create folder. If you have folder, you can just put the link to that folder. In order to be more visible, here I'm going to create new folder, and I'm gonna name it analysis. Yes, here exactly I want to put all of my data. So I click the way to this folder, copy it and put it to my program and click enter, and we have shown the way. And this time we have just saved the data itself, and in order to save the command, I have to write log using the name of your file, the file that you are going to create. So this time I uh, name it education, because my research is related to the education in this time, education comma text. The reason why I'm writing the text is that if we don't write this text, the Stata save it as the format of Stata program, which only which can only be opened in Stata program. So in order to open the other programs, I have written the text. For example, I can also later open it in the Microsoft Notepad. That's why I have written text. You can also write append, append, append. Append means if there is the any file with the same name as the education, it will just add it to that file without any permission. You can also write replace, replace, replace. If there is the file the same as the file that you are creating in this time education, your file will be replaced. The file that you are creating will replace the file that already existed with the same name in your folder. At this time our folder was brand new, that's why I don't have to write this one, and click enter. As you can see, the name log type text opened on 23rd of January. So that's it, and let's open it, and here we can see our file. It's blank, that's why there is no anything in this file. So now we can see it. So then I'm gonna show you how to label your data itself. Here is our data. Here is our data, and I'm going to name this data. So I write label data let's write education, the same, and data is labeled. Here you can see data and label is education. Here we can also write notes for this data. Notes. The data is given by professor. Let's write prof. So notes, the data is given by prof. It has been written. So what's next? In previous lessons I have shown you how to label your variables with the two methods, which was very easy. First one was just write label variable, label or lab, it doesn't matter. Let's write red. Which variable? The red one, sorry, red. And our label is red score. Yep, click enter, and label has been written. And the second one is, I'm gonna write lab variable. Which variable? Second one is right, and this time label is write score, and it's written. Let's use the second method. Second method is just click variable, and here you can see the lock. With the one click you can unlock it, which allows you to change the information which is given this area. Click on it, click math, its math name, and label is math score. It's written. Science, it's already unlocked, right? Science score. Yeah, it's ready. And the last one is social science, label is score. Yeah, that's it. It's really easy. You can all the time this one. You can always use these methods, these two methods. You can import your data. You can save it with different ways, but don't forget to log begin, because your command will all the time work for you. Don't forget to log begin all the time. That's why. Thank you for watching. And in the next tutorial, I will show you how to work with the charts and different effective and most interesting ways of using Stata program. Thank you for watching.